Hey peeps, Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we're looking at question 1 from the 2017 Maths Lit Paper 2 IEB paper. This question deals with financial maths. In particular, it's going to look at calculating salary increases and how to save over a 3-year period. So it says, it is January and Miss Hedger has just started a new job. She will earn a gross salary, monthly salary of 18,000 Rand. She knows how important it is to save for her retirement, and it is surprised to learn that you should save at least 15% of your gross salary for approximately 40 years to provide for your retirement. So in 1.1 now says refer to the table found in your answer sheet. I've pasted this table over here when answering this question. If Miss Hedger's salary increases by 6% each year for the next 3 years, calculate what her salary will be at the beginning of year 3 by completing the table. So for this one, we know that in year 1, they've already written that her starting salary should be 216,000. So how they got to that is they took her monthly salary, which is 18,000, and they times it by 12 because there are 12 months in the year. So they've already told us what year 1 is. So then a 6% of that, so we in our calculators will say 6% or 6 over 100 times by that are 216,000. So when we multiply that out, we get that at the end of year 1, the increase is going to be 12,960. That's in our calculators. So therefore, the beginning of year 2, we add that 12,960. So at the beginning of year 2, we know that her salary is now moved up to 228,960. So where I got that number is I just took this last year, so the year 1 salary, and I added the increase that you will get at the end of the year to get a total of 228,960. Then we do the same thing for the end of year 2. She's going to get another 6%, so it's 6% times by the new calculated number, so that would be R 28,960. And in your calculator, so 6 over 100 times by the 28,960, you get that 6% of that is 13,737 Rand and 60 cents. 60 cents. So that's her increase, and now we need to add this to year 2. So again, we take this number here, this 28,960, and we add the increase to get what her starting salary should be for the beginning of year 3, and this comes to 242,797 Rand and 60 cents. So that's the final answer for year 3. Okay, then on to 1.2. Determine how much Ms. Hedger would save if she were to save 15% of her salary for years 1, 2, and 3. So for this one, we've already done the calculation of what she earns per year. So let's find out what 15% of her first year salary is. So for year 1, we know that it should be that 216,000 Rand multiplied by the 15%. And remember, 15% is 15 over 100 if you can't find the percent button. And this comes to our 32,400. Then for year 2, we've calculated that her salary for year 2 is going to give a total of 228,960. Multiply that by the 15%, and this comes to, in your calculators, 34,344. And then for year 3, remember we calculated it to be 242,697,60 multiplied by 15%. So remember again, 15 over 100. So this equals a grand total of 36,404 Rand and 64 cents. Just squeeze it in over there. So that's the total. So for each year. So now we need to then have your total savings. So we add all of those together. So your total savings will equal the 32,400 plus your 34,344 plus the 36,404 Rand and 64 cents. And in your calculators, this total comes to a grand total of 103,148 Rand and of course 64 cents. And that's how much she would have saved over years 1, 2, and 3. Before I go, I just want to give out a special thanks to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorials. And remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, send us your question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.